Alright, so today I got a new emblem for the back of my Benz. It's right there. And then I got a piece of trim for the back too. So that will make the back of the car complete again. Won't have any missing parts. The piece of trim is actually for a sedan, but we'll see how it looks on the wagon. They're about the same size, so shouldn't be too big of an issue. Gotta dip them before they can go in the car, because all the other stuff's dipped. Gotta make it match. Time for round 2. Time for coat number 3. Alright, kind of working against the clock here since it's getting dark, but there's the rear emblem. And to take it off, there's a nut that's hidden up in the cavity. So I'm going to reach my hand up inside with an adjustable, kind of shrink it down to the right size on the emblem nut, which I can't see. Pretty sweet. Now we're going to attach the trim. Alright, so trim kind of just pushes on. There you go. Back of the car is complete once again.